I bought and tested these products so you don't have to waste your money. Choosing the right water heater can feel overwhelming, especially with so many options out there. But I'm here to break it down for you, sharing my real experiences and insights on the top 5 best 40-gallon gas water heaters you can trust. Product number 1. Turbo Tank Cleaner. I've had my fair share of water heater issues, and when I stumbled upon the Turbo Tank Cleaner, I knew I had to give it a shot. The first thing I noticed was its unique design. It's lightweight and has a transparent housing that allows me to see the action happening inside my water heater. I installed it through the drain valve without needing to drain the tank, which was a huge time saver. As I used a standard garden hose and cordless drill, I felt like a DIY pro. The agitator did its job, breaking up the sediment that had built up over the years. Trust me, the improvement in hot water supply was immediate. Not only did it extend the life of my water heater, but it also noticeably reduced my energy bill. Pros: the Turbo Tank Cleaner is universal, meaning it works on both gas and electric heaters. It's incredibly efficient at removing stubborn sediment that other methods often leave behind. The quick and easy installation is another massive plus. Cons: however, it's not suitable for tankless models, so if you have one of those, you'll need to look elsewhere. Also, while it claims to be durable, I did have a minor issue with the spring agitator after a few uses. So why should you buy the Turbo Tank Cleaner? If you want to extend the life of your water heater and improve its efficiency, this tool is a must-have. It pays for itself in just one use, making it a smart investment for homeowners. Product number 2. Rheem Natural Gas Tankless Water Heater. I was in the market for a new water heater and came across the Rheem Natural Gas Tankless Water Heater. Right off the bat, I was impressed with its sleek design and LED display. This unit delivers 100,000 BTUs and offers a remarkable flow rate of 4.3 gallons per minute. That means no more waiting around for hot water. It's instant and reliable. I was particularly impressed by its 4 seasonal function settings. It adjusts the water temperature automatically based on the incoming water temperature, which is brilliant for those fluctuating seasonal changes. Pros: the energy savings are noteworthy. The kit comes with everything you need, including the exhaust pipe, so there are no hidden costs. Plus, it's built with an anti-freeze unit for those colder months, which gave me peace of mind. Cons: however, installation is a must by a licensed professional, and it's not suitable for areas above 2,000 feet elevation. That could be a deal breaker for some. Why buy it? If you're looking for a reliable, energy-efficient water heater that provides continuous hot water on demand, the Rheem is a fantastic choice. It's a bit of an investment up front, but the long-term savings and convenience are hard to beat. Product number 3. A+ Natural Gas Tankless Water Heater. Next up is the A+ Natural Gas Tankless Water Heater. This one really caught my attention with its 140,000 BTU capacity and the ability to deliver a whopping 6.8 gallons per minute. I was skeptical about the zero cold water technology, but after using it, I can confidently say it works wonders. I never had to deal with the annoying cold water wait times during showers. The built-in booster pump was particularly impressive, increasing the flow by up to 130. Product number 4. APUS Propane Gas Tankless Water Heater. The APUS Tankless Water Heater powered by propane is another impressive option. I found its compact design to be perfect for smaller spaces without compromising on performance. With a 95,000 BTU capacity, it delivers 4.42 gallons per minute, which is more than enough for simultaneous use in my home. The low-flow start technology means I don't waste water waiting for it to heat up. It's instant. Pros: I loved the precise temperature control that kept the water within plus or minus 1 degree Fahrenheit of my setting. The energy efficiency is also commendable, with over 85% thermal efficiency. Plus, it's quiet, operating at just 40 decibels, so it doesn't disrupt my daily life. Cons: however, like the other APUS models, the installation requires a licensed professional, and the price point might be a little high for some budgets. Why buy it? If you need a reliable, quiet, and efficient propane water heater, this model checks all the boxes. Its combination of performance, safety features, and compact design makes it an excellent investment. Product number 5. APUS Natural Gas Tankless Water Heater. Last but not least, we have another APUS model, this one powered by natural gas. It offers the same impressive performance as the propane version, with a 95,000 BTU capacity and 4.42 GPM flow rate. It's also equipped with advanced safety features that provide peace of mind. The anti-freezing, dry combustion, and flame failure protections are essential for anyone concerned about safety. Pros: just like the propane model, it offers precise temperature control and high energy efficiency. The compact design makes it ideal for those tight spots where traditional tanks just won't fit. Cons: the installation process remains a challenge. You'll still need a professional to handle it. And again, the price might be a hurdle for some families. Why buy it? If you're looking for a dependable and efficient natural gas water heater that doesn't take up much space and keeps your water at the perfect temperature, this APIS model is an excellent choice.